Hey guys, Poblano Mo with Jalapeno Fence Co, and today we are finishing up a project in Euless, Texas. Let me show y'all what's going on. So this is our Shenandoah Japanese cedar clear pickets, Japanese cedar trim, Western red cedar cap, Western red cedar 2x4s, and a treated pine kickboard. Everything is pre-stained medium brown. And we actually did their neighbor's fence too. Their neighbor's fence, I think we did about 6 months ago, and that was no stain, Western red cedar. She got a heck of a fence, heck of a deal. But I did recommend to her that she needs to start staining it, because that's something I want to show y'all too. Is like when y'all don't stain it, kind of looks bleached. It doesn't look as good. So you can see it needs some TLC, where if she stains it, it's going to rejuvenate everything and make sure the wood doesn't dry up too. So I really recommend getting pre-stained or get stained. But yeah, just like the neighbor, they both got sliding gates, so you can see the solar panels up there, the rollers right there. You got the track, the wheels, and let me show y'all what's going on inside. So we got the motor right here, you got the photo eye, the chain, got the RSL 12UL, again solar panels right there, and the customer opted to install a economical build right here at the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some 2x6s all the way around here, and then she got some gravel that she provided, and we're putting that in as well. And that's just going to make it look nice over here, because we don't want the track to be covered up with dirt or mud. So yeah, then everything over here, you're seeing the gate, custom fab. We fabricated everything from scratch, custom built for her driveway. And everything's looking real nice. Again, when we do these gates, one thing you want to look for is, you want this opening over here to be like, let's say 15 feet long. You want to make sure that you have that available, plus 3 more feet over there too. So the 3 more feet come into play because 2 feet of this motor, and we need like a 1-inch, that was Bernie photobombing us. We need a 1 foot over there at the end too for the chain to have some slack. But yeah, guys, of course, this is the edge sensor, photo eye, and the motor has another safety feature called the reversal force. So we got all those safety features in there. We're gonna box this out, get this in, just like this. But man, looks like a beautiful fence. And you might remember this from our other videos too. Like I said, the neighbor's fence, hers is like top of the line. They even have the post boxed in, so that's the best of the best right there. So once she stains it, man, it's gonna look pretty again. But if y'all need a fence like this, or gates, or anything at all like fence related, give us a call at 214-702-1902, or go to jalapenofence.com. All right.